Hey, I'm Luke Hockaday, and I've been a sales associate here at Sam's Hockaday since 2011. As you can probably tell from my last name, this is a family business that I grew up in, and I've developed a passion for helping seniors in our community. I can help you with three things and three things only: senior insurance, football, and food. I specialize in Medicare and retirement planning, whether it's finding the right insurance plan, rolling over your 401k, or finding a safe place for other investments. I can help. When we first meet, I'll run a client needs assessment to find out what your individual needs are. I also run drug comparisons for you every fall to make sure you're in the best spot possible for the upcoming year. All the services I offer are free of charge. If there's ever a problem with claims or something else that comes up, you never need to call the insurance carrier. Just call me. I'm always available. Sam's Hockaday is an independent brokerage. So what that means to you is that we're not married to one particular carrier. We can do all the shopping for you, and if there's another carrier out there that can help save you money, we'll help get that for you. Whether it's a Medicare supplement, life insurance, or something else, we're independent on every product line. I'm licensed with about 30 different Medicare supplements, 50 different life insurance carriers, and I have access to many different investment options. We're also licensed in 42 states, so even if you move away from Illinois, we can still help. And if you have friends or family in another state, we'd love to help them as well. If you're getting ready for Medicare or retirement, I'd love to make the transition as painless as possible. Thank you.